So in the back I have quite some space between the window and the roof liner. So I think I will guide the cable behind this plastic part and then go down through this cable protector, this grommet, and then I'm into the car. So I think the camera is somewhere in the middle right here. Just be careful that you don't film the line just in the middle of your image. For that you could connect the camera and check. But it mentions also that you can't disconnect or connect your camera while it's on. So it just told me that it connected a rear camera. So let's switch to that view. And it is hard to see in this image, but the rear view is fine. I don't see any lines, so I could use this reference. So the electric static sticker is installed, the camera is sticked on top of it. And now I'm going to hide this cable, remove this grommet, remove this rubber seal, and then you can slide your hand just between. And if you look here, there is a hole just down there that you can reach from inside. So I guided the cable from here, retrieved it in the hole, and then guided through this rubber grommet. Really hard because it just fits with a stick connector, but with a little guiding cable I managed to do so after all. And I'm going to do the same thing over here. So attach this connector to this cable and guide it through here. So I just pull really hard on this one, and then you have access and you can feed the cable through. Now I can connect it together and close everything up here. And now you can guide the cable into the car. So logically you have two solutions. One solution is that you go down here and you go up to the front again. The other solution is that you follow the roof up to here. So just follow the roof liner, and that is really easy to do. You just tuck it in like this where needed. Like here you can use the little tool they provide to tuck the cable well in, and then you follow the way up to the front. So the installation is complete. From there it goes into the ceiling, through the grommet it comes back in the interior of the car, and the cable is guided all the way here. Really easy to do so. It follows the liner, the rubber seal, and there it goes up. It follows the liner to the dash cam.